Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Banner Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in bannerbank.com. It will take you to the official website of Banner Bank, and over here you can see the sign in button. Click on it. It will take you to the login portal of Banner Bank, and over here enter the login ID of your account. And in the password section, enter the password of your account. You can click on remember me over here if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Banner Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot your password to reset it. So this much for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.